So you want to make a modded Minecraft server, huh? What if I told you that was easier than it sounded? Well, let me clue you in. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually buy a server. Click Minecraft and then click order now on the one you want. Once you're here, you can pick all the options you want, and I also highly recommend getting at least one backup for your server. Go ahead and just keep your server version set to vanilla for now. We'll change that in a bit. Now, go to your panel and make sure you click Manage Server. Once you're here, click the cube and then go ahead and choose the version you're going to be doing. For this video, we're going to go ahead and use Forge. Choose the version you want. For this video, we're going to do 1.18.2. Make sure you use the newest version and keep in mind this version name because we're going to need this for later. Make sure to wipe all your files. If you have any you want to save, make sure to back those up first. Once that's done, you'll realize you don't have that much files and you're probably wondering where the mod folder and the world folder is. To get those folders, you just got to click this icon, then click start on your server and wait for the process to be completed. Now that your world's completed, just go ahead and click stop and wait for the process to be done. If you haven't already, I highly recommend just downloading CurseForge because we'll be using that to install our mods today on this video. Now that you have CurseForge, go ahead and click this button and then create a profile. Choose the version you want. Like I said, 1.18.2 in this version, and make sure your Forge mod loader matches the same version as your server. Now that this is completed, you're gonna see that you have a new profile with no mods. So to do mods, go ahead and click these three dots and then add content. For the simplicity of this video, we're only going to install a few mods, but you can add as many as you like. Just keep in mind, if you have a lower end server, your mods might not run as great as a higher end server. Now that you have your mods installed, make sure they run locally on your computer by clicking play before you even upload them to your server. Now that you verified your mod pack's working, we're going to install them to the server. Go back to Connect Hosting, click your little file icon, and then click Mods. A little tip before we continue, if you're having trouble running mods locally, just go to your profile options and just add more RAM allocation. To access your mod folder so you can put mods in your server, go to your profile, click Open Folder, and then click Mods. Now, you just drag and drop. It's really as simple as that. Now that you've done that, go ahead and click start on your server. If you've correctly installed your mods, your server should be started. Now to join your server, go ahead and copy your IP right here on your panel, click multiplayer, add server, and then click join. Bonus tip, if you want to have operator, go inside your panel right here, /OP, and then your username, and then you should have operator in your server. All right, congratulations, you set everything up. Now, go have some fun.